A lockdown right in the middle of the board exams due to this pandemic was the worst thing that could have happened to the students of grade 10. However, the day ICSE announced that the schools could begin with grade 11 studies, Matrukiran was ready with an online platform for live interactive classes.
We really want to thank Matrukiran for welcoming Vihan into their fold last year. When we moved from Hyderabad, we were really apprehensive, but Matrukiran gave Vihan a great opportunity.
In fact, I remember the kind of hardship that we had to go through because the transfer was at a wrong time in the month of May when already the session started. The process was very, very smooth and it was completely on the merit, which we really appreciated.
I've been a Matrukiran parent for a long time. I was so delighted to receive the homework and the worksheets that came over the Google Classroom links because they have been tailor-made to Nanak's needs. What really touched me was when one of the facilitators made an entire lesson over a Google meeting focused on what Nanak really loves, which is superheroes. I was so touched by that gesture, and I'm so impressed with the way the entire school has come together in this current situation and yet kept in mind the true values of Matrukiran and all the 5 facets that they do highlight in everything.
When the lockdown started, my biggest concern was that my children's studies going to become my job. But thanks to Matrukiran, that didn't happen, We did not have online classes where there was a teacher and, students with button-sized screens on the tablet or the laptop. What we had instead was interactive study material, audios, videos of the facilitators, PowerPoint presentations that children could revisit. The teachers were available online for any kind of clarifications.
I take this opportunity to thank the principal, facilitators and all the staff of Matrukiran for standing out in this need of hour and coming out with innovative techniques and methods to help our children wade through this crisis of need today. When I see my child working through day in and day out in the last 2 weeks with the teachers and facilitators, I'm very much enthused and enthusiastic with the way she's responding and the way she's communicating with the needs and want of this specific hour.
We are a part of Matrukiran family for the last 5 years and we are very happy as parents. Matrukiran inculcates a sense of belongingness in children, that every part of the society of Mother Nature is equally important in a person's life, in a person's upbringing. This is the most important part. And we are really happy and satisfied with what the school is giving us.
Firstly, I would like to thank the school for adapting to this new mode in such a short span of time. Both the schedule and the content of the course was very meticulously planned by the school, which helped the kids transition easily and get their share of school fun, which they always look forward to. The best part is both Ashwin and Vanya enjoyed thoroughly doing the assignments and the online classes as well.
I really appreciate how the school has taken into consideration all our children and the teachers, the principal ma'am, everybody involved. They are really taking care of all the students, how they made sure to send books to each and every one of us. They are even handling panicky parents in these trying times really well.
The emphasis on physical education as a part of the curriculum and the need to adhere to a physical routine on a daily basis, which is coming out through the novel methods of education today, is helping our kids to be disciplined and also have a real continuum in their life.
I have seen so many differences in Bhavik's behavior, and he is doing his homework independently. He shares his thoughts and ideas now with more clarity.
The biggest change what we have seen in Bhavik is that he completes his work with a lot of dedication and focus, and that is exemplary. And a lot of that credit goes to his facilitators also.
We enrolled Pratham in Matrukiran last year, because we heard that the school focuses on overall development of the child and not just the academics.
I think even though in difficult times, it is difficult for the teachers to kind of do an online classes and pursue all the 5 facets. But I think the way they're doing it, they're kind of keeping the students as engaged as they were in school, and they really enjoy coming to these classes and kind of.
I know that they are not taking the same approach as other schools and just throwing the kids online, and they're taking into consideration a lot of other factors.
Matrukiran is ready with a solution at any given circumstance. The other amazing thing is how they carried forward the tradition of circle time to the online platform, and they had a special 2-hour session on the last working day where all the facilitators of the senior school met the students. I speak for my daughter Mehak. She was so super thrilled to meet all her facilitators online and her friends from other grades. It has just left her rejuvenated and energized. She is going to sail through the month of June.
Good part is that Vihar is able to manage the things. He liked the school, he liked the teachers, and good part is that he is able to cope up with the ICSE board, because he has always been in CBSE board, and it was always a wish that my son should always be a part of ICSE board.
What Matrikiran did amazing was that they delivered our books home. So children were not actually spending a lot of time in front of the screens reading material, but they have their books handy. I think thank you Matrikiran for going out of the way and sending us those books home during the lockdown.